dinleniyormuş bu da.
This sound is me.
Çok kötü bir şey Allah. Harbiden çok kötü bir şey ya.
Snoring. I had never heard it before until I recorded it.
Kaydedene kadar böyle bir şey yaşadığını bilmiyormuş bile.
But every person that has slept next to me has suffered through it.
Çok kötü
That
ya.
sound has ruined countless relationships.
Burada da eski kız arkadaşları gösteriyor. Hepsi bu boku yedi işte. Hepsi buna şahit oldu diye.
Okay, maybe that
Dayı da ekmek değiştirir gibi
wasn't
değiştirmiş.
the only problem, but it was a big one. According to the National Sleep Institute, more than 90 million Americans suffer from snoring. And that remedies.
Bak şimdi.
Snore. My partner every
Diyor ki her şeyi denedim diyor. Göte tıpa denedim diyor. İşte ne bileyim bu burun bantları var ya açıyor böyle. Hiç bu arada alakası yok onlarla. Harbiden yok. Hepsini denedim diyor.
I could find. I even considered tying my hand to the bed so I wouldn't roll over and snore on the couch. I had no idea how to fix this on my own. What I really needed was professional.
Profesyonel bir destek alacağım diyor. Gidiyor doktora.
My name is Dr. Jordan Stern. I am a ear, nose and throat and sleep specialist.
Kulak burun boğazıymış arkadaşlar.
Founder and director of Blue Sleep.
Dr. Stern put me through a physical exam to see if there was anything about the shape of my tongue or throat that could be causing the problem. But what I really needed to know
Oo gözüm yandı ya.
was what was happening when I slept.
Ha bir de bu var yani bu eyvallah bu takip ediyor da bir de böyle tüp gibi bir şey bağlıyorlar. O da geçiriyormuş da onunla yatamazsın yani
The kit
böyle.
included a little computer, a heart rate monitor, strapped right to me for 2 nights.
2 gün boyunca kayıt altına
The tests can
almışlar.
be really expensive and the wait lists are usually really long.
Horladın
Dr.
mı?
Stern only needed a few results, and mine were bad. When you sleep, your throat, tongue, and jaw all relax. This can narrow your throat's airway. Then when you breathe in, all the soft tissue around your throat
Bak şu an
vibrates, causing that awful snoring sound. But this could be a medical condition far worse than snoring. It could be obstructive sleep apnea, a condition that while to a fight or flight mode, glaucoma,
bak adam ciddi emek vermiş.
diabetes, cancer, and behavioral problems. Not to mention, you just don't sleep well. One study illustrated
Biz ne yapıyoruz kendimize ya?
that sleep in 65 just health costs productivity.
İşte burada ağzına bu.
Stands for
CPAP.
continuous positive airway pressure.
Abi horlamaya uyku apnesi için makineler var. Bazı hastanelerde uyku laboratuvarları var. Orada bir gece kalıyorsun. İhtiyaç varsa o makine için reçete veriyorlar. Ya tamam da abi o makineyle nasıl
It forces
uyuyacaksın
air
ya?
down your throat, keeping the airway open.
He. Böyle abi böyle ya.
You have to wear this every night. Not exactly the sexy. Don't get me
Yani manita böyle sana yükseliyor yanında. Öyle gözünü açıyor. Aşkım diyecek böyle şey gibi Batman gibi takılıyorlar.
wrong. This works.
İşe yarıyor
It
diyor.
works really well.
Çok iyi işe yarıyor
But
diyor
studies
ama
have shown that over time,
olmaz diyor yani
stop using
özetle.
it. And I get that. I don't want to sleep every night with this mask on.
Bu maskeyle her gün uyumak istemiyorum diyor. Farklı bir şey denedim diyor. Aa bu işte. Bak bu çözmüş.
A custom molded plastic that fits right on my teeth, kind of like a retainer. When I wear it, it slides my lower jaw forward
Ağız mı çene mi ne önde kalıyormuş herhalde.
and then opens up my airway. To make it, my mouth was 3D scanned, and then molds were made of my teeth. It has these different levels that slide my jaw forward bit by bit. It's not perfect, and it takes a little time to get used to. Every morning, my jaw is a little sore because it's literally been out of place the entire night. I use this little mold of my natural bite to help the jaw get back into its normal place. But the improvements have been remarkable. It used to be that I wanted to take a nap every afternoon, but now I wake up feeling rested and I can make it throughout the whole day just going. After a few weeks of using the mouthpiece, I took another home sleep test to see what
Bunu taktıktan sonra diyor birkaç tane daha test aldım diyor.
The doctor went over the results with me over FaceTime. I didn't even need to go to his office. This chart shows all the
Bak bunu yapmadan önceki horlama istatistiği.
snoring I had before the mouthpiece. All the different colors you're seeing are when I stopped breathing throughout the night. Now this chart over here
Burası da yenisi.
shows a night with the mouthpiece. And as you can tell, it's working. Finally, I'm sleeping better and so is the person next to me.
Kız başlamış horlamaya. O horlama olur o. O horlama değil o. Server hazırmış Fulundar dedi. Hazır mı lan? Allah razı olsun.